What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide. This thing is super cool. It's been a blast riding it around. I've really enjoyed this bike, and we're gonna take a quick walk around this thing so you guys can see it up close and personal and know exactly what you're working with on this particular bike.
Starting in here in the back, it's hard to see that rear tire. It's in decent shape. I'm gonna say it has like 40 or 50% tread. There you can see your exhaust there and there. Looks like the guy before has some weird things on because you can see a little hole there in the bottom of the exhaust. There's some tips on there, probably got taken off. There is one little scratch right there. The rest of this stuff is just like a little bit of road dirt, a little dust coming right off of my hands. So you got license plate mount. You see your two turn signals, your brake lights are in there too. Keep coming up the rear fender. Got some light little scuffs in here, and then right where the seat comes in, you can see some little marks there. Nothing real gnarly. Besides that, there's your antenna. So we'll come around here to the side. This is the newer style of the bags. I like these a lot more. Open them up here, put it up, good to go. That is that. Sealed up. You can see the exhaust. The exhaust is in nice shape. That chrome's all shined up. Come up here to the front. Little bit of a scuff mark right there. I'm gonna point that out. There's your passenger like peg / floorboard. Got your rider floorboard and your rear brake. Looking in here, the motor. Everything in the motor is looking to be in really nice shape. There. Get a good look. There you go. There you go. Jump up here to the tank. I'm gonna point out a little mark right there, and there's these two light little scratches right above the Harley badge. I just wanted to point those out so you can see them. The Screaming Eagle air kit on it. Got the crash bars. Come around to the front, see the front fairing. There you go. There's some light little marks in there. Just want to make sure, just trying to wipe them off before I point them out, just in case it was like just a little bit of a dust mark. There's your headlight, front fender, a little bit of a scratch right there, my finger there on the front fender. That one came off, just kind of wiped right off. There's another light little mark right in there, point that out. And there is one mark right there on my pointer finger, like a little white mark, a little bit of a scratch. So there's that. Over to the side, see these fork tubes, they're in nice shape. Going down, even that front wheel, it's looking pretty good. Fork tube on this side, more of the same, good news. There's your rear or front brake on this side and the wheel. There's your front tire. Front tire's got plenty of tread left on. I'm gonna call that like 60%. Definitely gonna pass inspection, plenty of miles to ride on. Coming around here to the side. I just like the way that interfering looks. That interfering on the Street Glide did a really good job of making it clean. Had a lot of stuff in there, you know, the speakers and the display and all the gauges and the mirrors. I just like the way it looks. So here in the tank, there's a mark up here at my pointer finger. You can just barely see this little white mark. So that is there. I want to point that out. Other than that, this tank is looking pretty good. A little bit of junk in here, like inside the badge. But I would imagine with a very detailed cleaning, that would clean right up. There's the motor. Got your rider floorboard, toe shifter, heel shifter, passenger peg. There's your transmission. It is belt drive, so it goes back there behind this side cover, back to the back. Again, we'll jump around to the side on the bags. There's a light mark right here, right at my pointer finger on the bag. I'm gonna point that out. Open that up. There you go. You got some manuals and stuff. Jumping up on top, you can see the seat here. Seat's in nice shape. There are no rips or tears or stretch marks or anything on the seat. The seat's in really nice shape. You got the passenger seat, rider seat. Got a little bit of that dish there for the back support of the rider. Coming up over the tank. There you go. Got all your gauges and controls here on the left side. Same thing on the right side. Got your throttle over here, front brake, the mirror up there, and the interfering, clutch, mirror. There's all your gauges. Turn it on so you can see the display. Kind of a cool barn shield coming to life like that. This bike has 2,566 miles. There'll be a few more after the test drive, but there are very few miles of this bike. Make sure you check this thing out. It is a very nice motorcycle. We're gonna fire it up so you can hear it run right now. There is that. Make sure these turn signals work. Get your front signal on that side. And the front signal on this side. Jump back in the back. There's your rear signal there. And your rear signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide. Don't miss out on this thing. This thing is not going to last long. It's a very nice motorcycle, and thank you so much for watching.